Hey guys, my name is Jessica and I'm going to do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds. I just got this a few minutes ago. And I know it's them because that's the only package I was waiting for. And I got a notification that I was going to get them. Alright, I'm so excited because a couple days ago, Bubbles, they had said that they were in back ordered. Whoa, yeah! But thank you for purchasing your new Galaxy device. Okay, so this one was free because I had pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S10, and here they are. Wow, I'm so excited. Yes, baby. And my daughter's more excited about the air packaging that came with it. Okay, Mama. Wait, baby. Wait, I have to open it. Okay. I don't have a dock.
Mama!
Yes, baby? Here they are. Now I could finally charge them on my phone. And here is this little hard plastic case. Yay! And I think they turn on automatically. I mean, as long as Bluetooth is on. Here they are. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Well, let me just show you something here. What's this? I believe this is the charging dock. The charging cable. It comes with different sized plastic ear stuff. Alright, thank you for watching. Say bye.